Hey, hello everybody, and my name is Arvind Upadhyay. I am author over 100 plus books. I'm the one of the world's best business and life strategies. I do my workshops, seminar events regularly. There are the various workshops. Subsequently, I am doing currently just like Sundays with Arvind Upadhyay 2 hours workshop. So if you are really interested in your life to making something changes and you want to find that what you are and where you want to start your life and how much changes you want and what is your goal and what is your purpose for your life, so you can join my workshop Sundays with Arvind Upadhyay. You have to give me only 2 hours, and in that 2 hour I will help you to find your true potential. That that will unleash your potential to find out your fulfilling life.